this question says, on average, an eye blink lasts about 100 milliseconds. How far does a MiG-25 Foxbat fighter travel during a pilot's blink if the plane's average velocity is 3400 km per hour? Okay, so let me write what's given. First, the time that is given to us is 100 millisecond, which we can write it as 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 seconds, and this we can write as 0.1 second, right? Now the average velocity given to us is 3400 kilometer per hour. Now if we convert it into meter per second, which is basically the SI units, since the time is in seconds, so we are converting everything into SI. So to convert into meter per second, we are just multiplying this by with 5 by 18. So this will give us a value of 4.4 meter per second. Also, we know that the average velocity is basically the displacement upon the time, right? Now the displacement we need to find out. The average velocity has been calculated here, so we will be putting the average velocity as 944.4 here, and the displacement will put it like that only, and the time that we has got is 0.1. So the displacement will be 944.4 into 0.1, which will be 94.4 meter. So this will be our final answer.